Okay, today I just received a motherboard that I got from eBay, and I only paid about $23, around there, 20 something dollars, 23, low 20s. I just received this Asus Prime A520MK motherboard, and the person had listed it as it didn't show any picture. Okay, so supposedly it powered up and showing the pictures. So all I did was, I gave it a shot. All I did was put this bad boy in there. This because these motherboards, it won't show any pictures because they don't have an onboard graphics card. So I just used this old graphics card, shoved it in there, and boom, picture came on. I was happy when I saw that. So now, then I added a CPU in it, and I added this fan. The only thing that's missing is the side brackets that hold the fan. What I did was temporarily put a little wire on the sides there just to hold it down for now. But I was able to find people selling them on eBay for like $5, $4.99. So I said, look, I'm gonna just order one of those, and then I'll be able to put the bracket on. So I just wanted to, test it and try it out, and it works. So I was happy when everything worked. Put in the software for the mining software, the HiveOS, everything works properly. Everything booted up correctly. Did some BIOS changes, and everything working perfectly. I'm so happy with that. So I just added this fan here, which is being held by two wires. It's holding it pretty good. And when that comes in, I'm just gonna put those on there. Right now, I got it currently mining. What is it? Raptorium, because I got the I got the AVN coins that I wanted to get. I wanted to get 100,000 AVN coins. So when I got the 100,000, I actually ended up with 107,000 AVN coins. So I started changing all the settings of all of the rigs to start mining Raptorium. I do have one of them mining a little bit of Bitcoin, and still mining a little bit of another rig, mining a little bit of AVN coin. So I'm not gonna stop mining AVN coin. So I'm gonna have one rig still mining AVN coin. I'm so happy that this motherboard works. I'm looking into getting these. I'm trying to find the cheapest motherboards that I can possibly can on eBay, and everything is cheap right now. This is the time to buy motherboards, graphic cards, CPUs, and stuff like that. I ended up buying a CPU as well to upgrade that one, right? So I upgraded to a 3700X. I got the CPU for only about $70 with the tax, something like that. $70, yeah, around $70 with the tax. Because I originally put one here that cost me $170 something, which I bought brand new. So I decided to just go eBay and just find one cheap. I took the risk, and I bought that. I bought one. Actually, when on the description, I tried to find the cheapest one. One was going about $50 something, whatever, originally. And then it went up to like $70. I ended up winning that bid. I got it for about $70, but the person listed that the pins were bent. They did have bent pins. I said, that's fine with me as long as it works. And then the person had said that originally it worked. He dropped it, whatever. So I went with that. I give it a shot. I went with that. So what I did was I took when I got it, I quickly looked at it. The pins, there was quite a few pins bent. I used my microscope over here. See the microscope right there? I used that microscope right there, and I was able to use that microscope and look at the pins. And then I used some tiny little tweezers that I got, because I got a whole bunch of little tools there. And with those little tweezers, I was able to straighten out all of the pins. I shoved it in there, and boom, it worked perfectly. I was happy with that. I had to do a little work there, but I was happy with that, and that worked. 3700X only cost me $70, not bad. Because they got it on sale for like in Micro Center for about $170, but that's not the original price. It's like $229 or something like that. But I actually got that one on sale for $170. But I saw this one on eBay, which had the bent pins. I went for it, and I fixed the pins, and boom, it's working perfect. So I'm slowly upgrading them. You know, I want to try to get some 5800X. I mean, what is it, 58? No, 70 whatever, 900X or 70. You know, I want to upgrade them. You know, but so what I did was, and I took the chip out of that one, and I said, you know, I'm gonna put it in this one, and I put the not 3700X, the 3700X. I left it there, which was the one with the bent pins, and I ended up taking a Ryzen 3 one and put it in here. Which this one's running a little slower, but that's okay. That's fine. It's working perfect. I'm happy with this, you know. So, you know, I'm happy with that. But I'm using the box right now just to hold the motherboard up, and I think that I kind of like the bottom of the mining frames here. I've been using the bottom of the mining frames in order to hold the board. I just like the way it looks. It, you know, holds everything in place. And I just took off the top brackets and stuff. Because I don't know if I'm going to continue to GPU mine, even though I'm doing GPU mining, but I don't think I'm going to get any more GPUs. I'm just going with CPU mining for now, and you know, I'm just going heavy on CPU mining than GPU mining. So I'm holding off on GPU mining for now to, you know, wait things out, see what's going to happen with that. But I'm still mining GPU, but I'm going with more with CPU mining. I like the CPU mining. So with that being said, I was thinking about getting these like tiny little stilts that I've seen people put under, but I don't really kind of like it. I actually like a frame under it like this, you know, but for now I just put it in this box. Like I got this one on the box there because I don't have a frame for that. But I think I'm going to move this board here and put it onto this frame here and just move that one into the box, whatever, because you know, I'm just trying to make things look nice here. I like the colors and stuff. You know, on this one I had a setting of the breathing setting. When I looked at the BIOS, I left it like that. You know, I was gonna shut it off, but I left it breathing. So I just left the board like that. Maybe I should have just shut it off, right? Wasting power. Yeah, because I have these over here, like, you know, making the colors here. So I mean, I could shut those off too, but left it on. I doubt it's wasting a lot of power, but I think I guess every penny counts, right? So that's pretty much it. I've been messing around with all the stuff here, you know, trying to get it to turn on, and like, you know, you got to hook up a monitor in order for you to see what's going on. But you know, it worked. It worked. I'm happy with that. Only 23 bucks I paid. I'm happy with that. So right now, like I said, I'm continuing mining. I got one of the rigs mining some avian coin. And I got most of the rigs right now, just pretty much all of the rigs, mining Raptorium. So my goal is to get 100,000 Raptorium, and then I'm going to move on to that. Either I'm going to go to Flux or Ergo. I got to look more into those, you know, coins, and then try to get as many as I can with those. But I'm going to still continue to mine. I'm stepping up. Like, I'll leave one still mining a certain coin, you know. But that's pretty much it, you know. So I can still hit Dogecoin. I gotta hit that a little harder but those I'm gonna do with the GPU mining. So that's pretty much it, guys. So hope you like that little video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.